Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of us face: the overcrowded desk. You know, the one that's so busy, you can hardly find room for your coffee mug. But fear not, because I'm here to help you prioritize your tasks and get back on track with your workload. Let's start by looking at this mess. It's like a forest of paperwork, emails, and post-it notes. Remember, your workload should match your energy level. So, let's break it down into two key categories: urgency and importance. To do this, let's use some handy visuals to help us out. On one side of the screen, we have a list of tasks based on urgency and importance. Now, on the other side, we have your trusty calendar where you can schedule these tasks based on their priority. Once you've prioritized your tasks using color-coded visuals, you can start to see light at the end of the tunnel. Just look at this desk, it's transformed. The clutter is gone, and now we have a clear view of our workspace. So there you have it, friends. Prioritizing your tasks is key to managing your workload effectively and increasing your productivity. Remember to always be mindful of what's important and what needs to be done right away. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful and want more tips like these, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that will help you stay on top of your game. Until next time, happy prioritizing.